Passive income, ideas to make $500 per day in 2022. Why work a dull day job when you can make great money doing social media jobs? You need to pay attention if you haven't discovered this fantastic way to make money, because it could be a game changer. Right now, people like you are making up to $500 daily doing simple social media work from home. They're getting paid good money for sharing, commenting, and other social media tasks. The work is enjoyable, and they usually get paid weekly. So they can enjoy a wonderful work-life balance while having enough money to enjoy the good life. It's an awesome way to put cash in the bank, and here's the good news. You can do this. All you need to do is watch this video to the end. Follow simple instructions, and you'll soon make good money working from home. What's great about this income-earning opportunity is that it's a role you can do online. This means you can work from home, Starbucks, or anywhere you choose. Plus, you can work flexible hours. You choose when you want to ride and how long. If you want to work in the mornings and take afternoons off, that's fine. But if you want to work extra hours to make even more money, you can do that, too. Think about what this means for your lifestyle. No more commuting to a day job you hate, being stuck in an office cubicle, factory, or store wasting the best days of your life. Never again put up with low pay, office politics, and annoying colleagues. No more struggling to pay the bills and trying to make your money stretch to reach the end of the month. Instead, you'll live largely and enjoy every moment of your life. Imagine how much better your life will be. Make $300 to $500 a day doing social media work. That's an absolute breeze compared to a typical day job. Put in just a few leisurely hours a day from your spare bedroom or kitchen table. Throw your alarm clock in the trash, enjoy lazy lions and take time off whenever you want. By now, you're probably excited to get started. Click the link in the description below for a free report to learn more. You may be wondering who this opportunity is a good fit for. To qualify for these jobs, you don't need to be an expert with a degree or special qualifications. On the contrary, this online work is being done by regular folks from all over the world. To succeed in this type of work, you must 1. Own a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. 2. Have regular access to the internet. 3. Be reliable and dependable. If you fit those criteria, you're good to go, and because the demand for social media workers is high, you'll have no difficulty finding work. The market is vast because all types of companies need help creating and sharing content. The only thing you need to do now is to take action. Sadly, that's where many people fall. They see the opportunity but let it slip through their fingers. They continue living an average life when they could be sharing their way to an amazing one. We don't want that to happen to you. Take action today to launch your online career by clicking the link in the description below. Please like this video, and subscribe for more great content.